If you're facing verification issues on WhatsApp after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Wait for the cooldown period. After several failed verification attempts, WhatsApp may temporarily lock your number. Wait for the cooldown period, which can last from a few minutes to up to 24 hours before trying again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. A poor connection can prevent the verification code from being received. Step 3. Request a new verification code. After the cooldown period, open WhatsApp and enter your phone number. Choose the option to receive a new verification code via SMS or call. Make sure to check your SMS inbox or answer the call promptly. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact WhatsApp support. If you still cannot verify your account, reach out to WhatsApp support. Provide them with your phone number and details of the issue. They can assist you in resolving the verification problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on WhatsApp. If problems persist, keep in touch with support for further assistance.